Good morning. Today we are going to see how to transform and validate conversions for suppliers. Okay, so normally we'll get the supplier file in one file, but I want to transform all the in one file into multiple files like location, size, banks, supplier qualifications like that. So, so we developed a one tool. It's a very straightforward tool. We will upload a source file and we will map. In source file, we'll get all details of the bank, suppliers, size, classifications, everything in one file. But I want to split into multiple files like supplier banks separately and supplier classification separately, separate location separately. Okay, like this. Okay, so for that, uh, we created one source file, like this is source file. In that, we'll give the supplier name, supply number, supplier name, everything will be one line only. Okay, so we have one more file is there, like the target schema. It is a JSON file. We open in Notepad. Here we will have supplier number, supplier tab, the supplier number, supplier name, everything will be there. And supplier sites, site codes, site purpose, like that. Locations we have like this, banks like this. So in this file, what we'll do, we'll give supply tape. Suppose I'm changing X, Y, Z. This is like supply type is based on some we have icon is there. Just place here. Get the type of number like this, or something like that. Then one more file, one currency. We have to currency INR, USD, like that. Okay. So once we save that file, okay, then what we'll do, so we'll upload this file. We have like we create one data automation, and also we have mapping file is there. So we can drop that JSON file here. Then put apply. So we have already one file is say upload, we'll upload to new. After that we have to run migration. Once it's done, we get all we created banks and data. Just download here. See, this transformed. We created account INR, USD, everything SVA, XYZ, ABC. So it's very useful. So we have one more file is there. Suppose we have like that. Data checks, invalid bandwidth, everything is get it here. So we have locations also is there. You open that file, the pin code, Chennai, everything here. So we can transform one single file into different files using this feature. Okay, so this useful feature. So we can do for this simple one, but suppose sometimes we will have calculations also. In that case, we will do in a transform. We have one more stage is there. So in next video, I will explain how to transform if any calculations are there in Excel itself. Then we can move to the target source. We can move the target. So if any doubts on this, please ping me in the comment section so that I can